Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing some analysis regarding to BTC, gold and as 100. I'm pretty going to be fast on this. No, I'm not going to waste much of your time on this particular lesson. So this NAS 100, based on what I'm seeing right now on this chart, to be honest with you, there's nothing I understand here. The only thing I know that the market is on a bearish side, but I've not seen any significant position for me to take an entry from this particular zone. Probably the only thing I can suggest that's going to happen, can see the market just open. Probably if the market go to the trend line, there might be a bounce to the downside, or maybe it might break the trend line and started going up and expecting a sell somewhere at this zone. So don't force any trade. We're just going to see what's going to play out on as 100 on this. Let's check gold. All right, so this gold is good. Yeah. So as of last week when I was doing this analysis, if you check the overall trend of gold, you can see we are on a bearish trend on this. So last week when the market came to this place, although I catch up the trade, if you're following my Telegram channel, you will have been a lucky member who will have catch up the trade too, because I posted the trade on the Telegram community of mine. So when the market broke to the trend line, moved to the upside, I caught up the trade. Why is that? I was able to identify the chart pattern at that particular zone. Let me show you head and shoulder chart pattern. So I catch up that trade. And I also told my student that this is what I'm seeing right now. I couldn't place the trade because it's already late at that time. When the market came and retest here, eventually this has already served as a break and retest to this zone. So we have no option than to start buying at this particular place because it has already given us a break and retest here. So for you to play to the safer side, you have to wait till the market break this recent high on this C, probably break and retest, or maybe after the breaking of this market you start taking your buy, because I got two confirmation from this particular zone. One was this bullish candle, two was a break and retest. That's the reason why I place this and wait for the market to open for me to buy gold at this spot. You can see it has already start moving. I couldn't place the trade. I just left it like that. It was when the market opened that that was when I saw this massive bullish candle at this place. So for gold, it's a buy for now. If I should wait for another entry, probably I'll be waiting for a sell at this zone. If I should be taking any trade on gold right now, or maybe in days to come, it's going to be at this spot, a sell. Depend on what the market is going to do at this place. So that's all for gold. Then let's check BTC. BTC, I've already start making profit since last week. I explained to them that I'm seeing a buy on BTC, but it's going to enter within the end of the week. The buy is going to enter within the end of the week. So at first, throughout last week, I only took one trade. That was this. After waited for some many days, if you check, this trade was taken on July 23 on Thursday. After waiting for many days, I was able to catch the trade earlier. At first, this was where I supposed to catch the trade, but I was not still sure about the trade. That one of the reasons why the stop loss of the trade was more than 600 pip I usually use for my stop loss. But whichever way, we later ended up in profit up to 1 to 3 risk reward as usual. So when the market came to this place, I wanted to buy at this support level when I told my student that I'm seeing a buy, but let me just see and see what the market is going to do at that zone. But if it didn't play as we planned, then you know that my move, the next move of the market is going to be within the weekend. So fortunately, the market came to the place that on Friday, it broke this recent support, went to the downside, and I was also waiting because this is another key level. I was also waiting to take an entry on this particular zone, but unfortunately, it came and broke this recent key level and sweep out the liquidity before start moving to the upside. But when the market got to this zone, this was when I knew that the extension of the move has already start ended because one, this actually my this is actually the third bounce of the trend line. So I strongly believe that the market is going to start moving to the upside because whenever a trend line come and bounce to the third time, there's always a move at that zone. So this was when I knew BTC is about going to start moving at that zone. So I took the trade. If you check at the side of the screen of this video, you will see the running trade of this trade to show that I took the trade. Like as I placed the trade since on Friday. And if you go to my Telegram channel, if you search for CM Blue Pips Academy, you will see the update of the trade that has been posted before this. So if you were one of my member, you will have also cashed up the trade as it is moving right now. So it's already moving in profit, and we thank God, massive profit. So as of BTC, take note, um, I believe BTC is still going to sweep this liquidity because this trend market is an uptrend. I also believe it's still going to sweep out this too. But let's just see. Let's just see. This move, I'm expecting it to get to this place before I will not know if I'm still going to like continue selling again or maybe wait for an entry to sell at the zone. But let us watch and see. I can't decide now except the experience of what the market is going to do at that particular zone that will determine if I'm going to be selling BTC or not. But for now, let's just leave this trade to swim in profit till we see what's going to happen. So among these three pairs, BTC, gold, and as 100, I couldn't share any signal on this. Let's check maybe one or two forex pair just because I didn't drop anything on this. Let's just check GBP, JPY and see what's going on there. All right. Um, as of GBP, JPY, the entry is already still valid. You can start buying GBP, JPY, or maybe wait for a breakout of the trend line. But I see GPJP has already started moving. Drop your stop loss like this. GPJP have already started moving. Probably from tomorrow morning is going to remake a massive move. Let's check GBP AUD. That's one of my favorite forex pair, but oh my god, this thing is so volatile. Guys, I'm going to be ending the video for now. I don't see anything here. Maybe in days to come, that when I can able to plot an entry on this particular pair. But for now, my main focus is only on these three: cryptocurrency, gold, and NAS 100. So guys, thank you for watching. Love you.